Sissy, you trash, bum.
Are you upstairs?
Trash cook. Yo, you wait on the other side, bro? Golly.
Put a bone scrap immediately, bro.
Alright, so.
What are they doing to it?
Wait, is that you?
I just healed.
Oh, bro, I'm tweaking. I'm like. So why did I think I was gonna be cool in plain sight, bro? Oh yeah, Anna's ability doesn't let her get hurt, right? I mean, not Anna, Julie.
Take less damage.
What exit we finna get open?
Bro, I just came hit a bully.
Cook just don't be seeing me like at all.
Hold on, bro. I'm finna make some noise so they come to me. The fuse will always spawn. Well, the breaker will always spawn upstairs. In case you didn't know. Hey, Grandpa.
I'm finna stab somebody in their back. Who I gotta stab?
Beat your day on me, bro.
Coming, got you. Oh.
I bled out.
Oh.
I bled out.
Yeah, Cook wasn't wasting no time. I was finna say, man. God damn.
He escaped. Through basement exit. Who am I, Leland? Gotta make sure.
Who am I? Jonathan? Sissy, you trash, bum.
Are you upstairs?
I mean, I keep having to run back to the basement. Trash cook.
No, I'm not.
Man, I'm on my way, bro.
You might want to run.
Yo, you wait on the other side, bro? Golly. Bro. I have no idea, bro.
I personally don't even know. Cook is hearing alpha me.
Like 15 close encounters, bro. Bubba run too fast, bro. He too fat to be running so fast, bro.
Oh, Cook is out here. Alright, Michi, look, I got a plan.
What's your plan, man? I'm listening.
So look, my plan is I'm gonna bleed out real quick. I'm gonna go in, grab the heel right there, and I'm gonna stab Grandpa and then run off.
What's your plan?
Yeah. Oh wait, I'm dead.
Bro.
Alright, bro, I already recovered upstairs, bro. I forgot, bro.
Ooh.
Bro, I forgot, bro.
Bro just say they whole master plan just to die from bleed.
Bro.
Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. The vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search.
You know what you gotta do?
What?
You just gotta say you hungry, and then he gonna ask you. He gonna ask you what you want, and then you say pizza.
You gonna bring in leftovers? But I'm not trying to wait. Oh. Bro, no deal. No, it's not.
Nigga.
No, it's not. Bro, you just lying. Come on, man. I'm just trying to eat.
What is bro problem? Bro, I'm so done, bro. If I die because of him, bro. Chris, bro. Oh yeah, I'm juking him, bro. Leland a dub, bro. Chris, you a dub.
Under the bowler right.
I'm low-key kind of concentrating right now, I ain't gonna lie.
BG.
Huh?
I did it.
Yeah, what?
Oh wait, this is my money. This is my money that I gave my dad. I'm finna order some pizza with.
What type of piece you finna get?
Either sausage or taco.
I still want to try one of them taco pieces, bro.
See you, Michi, making your grand escape.
Yes, sir, ski. Making my grand escape. Let me get some HP to make my grand escape.
Yes, sir. You too.
Yes, sir. Making my grand escape. I need an unlock tool, dude.
Michi.
Huh?
Okay, stand still. Okay, so
I
look
see him
straight
all.
ahead, like where your character is facing straight. Okay, that shed right there, there should be an unlock tool over there. See, Michi, I know what I'm doing.
You a W, dude.
So anytime you see a station with a lamp, there's an unlock tool right there. Oh yeah, keep a lookout. I thought I heard her voice.
They suck, clowns.
Michi, bro. Bro, get one escape and don't know how to.
They suck, dude.
But you give it better. Yeah.